Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to do the AC reset on your Timex Marlin Chronograph watch. Today we have the green dial version, and as you can see we have completed to replace the watch battery, and we have here a small sticker that indicates the fact that we need to do the AC reset. So we need to find the place where we have the AC on this let's say metallic plate, and then we need to connect it with the plus of the battery. So I'm going to turn the watch movement around. As you can see here we have Japan, and here on the left side we have a small AC written and a small arrow that points to the hole where we need to insert one of the tips of our pair of tweezers in order to connect it to the plus of the watch battery. So what you want to do is to insert one tip just like that, and then go a little bit underneath the sticker, connect it to the watch battery plus, hold it for around 3 to 5 seconds, and then the AC is going to be successful. Now something really important when it comes to this particular movement is that after you have done the AC reset, you can see that the seconds hand sometimes might also do a double tick. As you can see now it has regulated, so it works accordingly because we have done the AC reset. But in case the seconds hand does a double click, so a double movement, make sure to pull the crown to the last position and then try to move a little the watch hands, and after you push it inwards, the tick should be normal. So you are going to see that regular seconds hand movement that we want to see after we have done the AC reset, guys. So in case you want to watch the full guide with how to replace the watch battery, guys, from start to finish, so how to open the watch bag, how to open the watch battery cage to replace the watch battery, to read the exact battery type, and then put everything back together, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the full guide with the battery replacement on this particular model. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to do the AC reset on your Timex Marlin Chronograph watch. If you found value from this video, make sure to be subscribed, give it a thumbs up, it really helps the channel grow. If you enjoy videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch unboxing videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button because you are going to enjoy the future videos that are going to be uploaded to this YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one, and make sure to check all the extras in the description box below, such as the basic watchmaker tools, the watch battery and the full guide, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching.